we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Broken feathers take longer in that the shaft is still embedded in the wing and will not fall out until the teal goes through a full molt. Certainly this should have occurred within the year. If the feather follicles are damaged or in the case of repeated feather loss, like plucking, the feather won't grow back.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.